The DAV institutions are the gift of Arya Samaj, a progressive movement founded by Swami Dayanand Saraswati in 1875. Swami Dayanand Saraswati, the great pathmaker of modern India, led a crusade against the superstitious and pernicious practices that prevailed in contemporary India. With a view to bringing about a balanced and harmonious development of the future citizens of this country and to infuse in them the ideals of Vedic culture and high sense of patriotism, Arya Samaj founded a school at Lahore in 1886 by the name of Dayanand Anglo-Vedic School. This established the DAV College Trust and Management Society, which later set up a network of such educational institutions all over India. The DAV movement would not have achieved its goal had not a young, brilliant graduate, Mahatma Hansraj, the first principal of the first DAV institution, offered his honorary services as Jivandan for 25 years. Presently, it is the largest non-government educational organization in the country, managing over 700 educational institutions. Dr. A. N. Khosla, former Governor of Orissa and Vice President, DAV College Managing Committee. He pioneered the DAV movement in Orissa, and we are carrying on his legacy. The meticulous planning has helped the DAV institutions reach the pinnacle of success in every sphere under the guidance of Dr. H.K. Mohanty. The unflinching support of Sri N.D. Grover is remarkable, and he is considered to be the man behind a saga of achievements.
The 4 DAV public schools in Cuttack city are a pride complex of the DAVs. They continue to march ahead under the guidance of Sri Narayan Das Grover, Vice President, DAV College Managing Committee, New Delhi. Sri Grover is the person who turned the DAV movement into a revolution in Eastern India. During last 25 years, he has set up about 200 DAV public schools in the eastern sector of Indian.
Today the schools in Cuttack, especially our school up to +2, has a name in the whole country. In the field of education, in the field of modern techniques, say computers or other modern methods of teaching, we are proud and we feel that we match with any good school of the country, and I would say we have a name in the whole world.
DAV Public School, Sector 6, CDA Cuttack, is the first educational institution in Eastern India to be awarded ISO 9001-2000 certificate. There are 4 DAV public schools at Cuttack city established at Sector 6 Markat Nagar CDA, with a primary unit at Sector 9 CDA, followed by yet another school at Sri Vihar. Then comes one DAV public school at Rajabagicha, and finally Lajpat Rai DAV Public School, Gandarpur, respectively. This school is named after the great patriot of India, Punjab Keshari, Lala Lajpat Rai, who was one of the founders of the DAV movement. The land on which this magnificent building stands was given to the DAV Trust by the servants of the People's Society, New Delhi. The DAV schools provide a congenial environment for an all-round development of the child's personality, particularly in reference to the Indian context. The schools have academic block, information center, bank, reception hall, and office. The schools also provide pure drinking water and bus facilities for the convenience of the students. The DAV schools have progressed more under the able guidance of a band of devoted principals. They play the role of a model for the children. Positive ideas are inculcated in students as regards neatness of uniform, cleanliness of surroundings, graceful manners, obedience, and discipline. To inculcate moral values in the students, the schools start each working day with the morning assembly that includes recitation of Veda mantras, devotional songs, thought for the day, and pledge by the students.
In fact, the word liberty is derived from the Latin word liber.
Short talks are given by the students on a variety of subjects. Every morning, the assembly disperses with the singing of the national anthem. To keep the children fit, students are made to do drill at least once a week. To create an atmosphere of healthy competition and team spirit, most of the school activities are governed by house system. The DAV schools at Cuttack provide well-furnished pre-nursery toy room for the little kids. Besides providing regular individual care and a vibrant and inspiring environment, the schools also provide well-equipped science lab for physics, chemistry, and biology. The schools also have art and craft room, maths lab, SST lab, galaxy of books in the library, DAV Public Schools of Orissa Zone have been winning Computer Literacy Excellence Awards consecutively for the last 3 years from Government of India. DAV Public School, Sector 6, CDA Cuttack was the first school to win this award, followed by DAV Chandrasekharpur Bhubaneswar and DAV Kalinga Area Mahanadi Coalfields Limited Talcher, along with DAV Public School, Sikkim. Well-equipped computer park with efficient professionals imparting education for the betterment of the children. The overall improvement of a child is judged through tests and exams at regular intervals. The schools provide playground and park for refreshment of the children. Children enjoy the scenic beauty of the school during recess. The schools expose the child to hobbies like tabla, dancing, singing, etc., and ensure that discipline becomes a second nature of the child. Annual sports is held to encourage the students to participate in various events and consider it as an integral part of life apart from studies. Headed by Regional Director, Principals, Staff and NCC Scouts and Guides, the DAV public schools are always associated with different kinds of social work.
There are 4 DAV public schools in Cuttack functioning under the able guidance of our Regional Director, Dr. H.K. Mohanty. This school in Sector 6 is a +2 school with all basic infrastructure like science labs, SST, mathematics lab, healthcare, a big audiovisual hall, library, a big computer hall with 90 computers connected with net. It has got 8 buses, 36 closed circuit TV cameras are fitted at different places. It has got a big playground, the children's park, activity hall. It has NCC Scout Guide. Besides this is the first school in Odisha to get 9001-2000 ISO certification. Again, it is the first school from the state of Odisha to get a computer literacy award from the Honorable President of India. In academics, this school has touched a great height. In class 10 CBSE examination, the highest score has gone up to 97.8%. In class 10, it has gone up to 95.8%, the highest in CBSE. Our children are doing excellently in extracurricular activities. Our aim is to bring about all-round development of students by giving them opportunities in different areas, in different walk of school curriculum. And that is why we are holding annual talent hunt, we are holding exhibition, then annual sports and annual day function.
The annual day and prize giving ceremonies are also celebrated. Last but not the least, we impart an education to build and an education to repay. Let us pass on to the future with reverence and with pride.